and welcome back to another end-up weather video. Today we are talking about Subtropical Storm Ana, which has formed in the Atlantic. Another year where we have a hurricane season starting before June 1st. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Now let's get right on into it. So here is Subtropical Storm Ana, which currently has maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour, minimum central pressure of 1,006 millibars, and is moving west-southwest at 3 miles per hour. Here is the current satellite imagery of Subtropical Storm Ana. As you can see here, we don't have that typical tropical storm look. That is why this is subtropical, has some of those extra tropical characteristics. Here is the 5-day wind speed probabilities over the arrival time of winds. You can see that most of the tropical storm force winds will be occurring right around now and diminishing throughout the day today and into tomorrow before this eventually does dissipate late afternoon tomorrow. Here is the current cone and the extent of tropical storm force winds. You can see that the only warning that we have is a tropical storm watch in Bermuda, but this storm is starting to move away from Bermuda and going further north. That is why this is a very short-lived storm, as it is starting to get into those cooler waters and moving away, getting caught by the jet stream, and that is going to rip apart the storm. So let's go here to the current storm information, and we're going to go to our global hurricane models. You can see at this point all of them are pretty much agreed that this is going to start moving off to the northeast, and you can see that it could even curl in toward Greenland. Then we have our Gfs Ensembles, the Gfs Ensembles here, and we have again a curl to the northeast, pretty similar to the GEPS, which also has that curl to the northeast. So everything is kind of really agreed on this storm system, except for the intensity guidance. You can see that everything is kind of different now. Most of these models here do have this staying as a tropical storm strength for a little bit, some of which even have it going into Category 1 or Category 2 strength as it moves off. The only thing is that once it gets caught by that jet stream and it'll kind of get integrated into another storm system, there's no way that it's going to be forming into a hurricane, at least as of right now. Speaking of which, here's the models. This is the GFS, and you can see that as this storm moves off, it dissipates really quickly. It gets caught up in this low pressure system here that was moving just to the south of Greenland, and that line of storms there does pick it up and move it off to the northeast. And eventually this will get into the ocean right off the coast of Europe. So this is a very short-lived storm. As per the cone, you can see that it's not going to last into Tuesday. So you can see here also that it's at its maximum strength right around now, and once it starts to make that journey off to the northeast, it is going to weaken very, very quickly. So we have our first tropical system of the year, Subtropical Storm Ana, and another year where we have a pre-season tropical system. I believe this is the 7th year in a row. So we did have another tropical system in the Gulf that did not end up forming. So we just have Ana for now. But this is the start to the Atlantic hurricane season. Comment in the comment section down below, how many tropical storms do you think that we're going to have this year? But that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.